Toast your garlic in hot oil in a hot wok. Then we'll add our chicken. We'll go ahead and stir fry that. Now that our chicken is cooked, we'll go ahead and add some broccoli. We'll stir fry that until it's nice and bright green. We don't want to overcook it. Make a little room in your wok and we'll go ahead and cook our eggs in the same wok. Just crack them in. We'll stir fry those up with our chicken and garlic. Remove our mixture from the wok and we'll get ready for our noodles. Add your noodles to your wok. Combine all the ingredients you see on your screen. This is where all of our flavor comes from. It's also the liquid that these noodles need to just rehydrate a little bit. Stir them up. Combine your chicken mixture with your noodles and I can't wait for you to try this. A lot of flavor. It's the original fast food.